Okay, we're going to do a video here about the Teknetics T2 limited edition or special edition, whichever you want to call it. And I've had the other TT, the standard T2, but this is the first special edition I've had, and I'll tell you, I really like it. You wouldn't think that big coil would be sensitive for gold nuggets, but that's what I use it for. Now that little nugget there, that's one I've used before in videos. It's 3 grains, not grams, it's 3 grains. I don't think that camera will focus on it that good, but it's very tiny. And anyway, I got the detector on already, and I've ground balanced it. I manually ground balanced it. I don't use the automatic ground balance for gold nuggets. Now listen to this on a 3 grain nugget. Let me turn the camera down there where you can see that. Now let me zoom in. There it is, laying on the stump. Pretty good. For 3 grains, that's pretty good. Now, you see there's nothing on the stump that'll make it sound off. And that bottle will not, there's nothing in that bottle cap, no foil or anything. That's strictly the nugget. And this detector came with a 5-inch coil, which is even more sensitive to small nuggets. And this sucker's deep, I'll tell you that. Now I'm going to put it on the ground and give you a look at it down there. You got the ground mineralization down there interfering. If I can find it. There's bright sunshine out here, it's not easy. Anyway, right there it is. Maybe you can hear it. Okay. I see I got this balanced. Maybe I should turn it up just a little bit. Manual ground balance. There you go. Now. Pretty good for a big coil. And I've only got the sensitivity up to 60. That's the default. Now I can go back to turn that sensitivity up. And when I'm in the gold field looking for nuggets, I'll run it all the way. If I can run it all wide open, 99 if I can. It's a little unstable there, but it goes deep. Listen to that now. Sensitivity turned up. And that's way up there. I can pull it up 4 or 5 inches and I can get a signal. Anyway, the T2 is definitely sensitive to nuggets, especially the small coil. But I think I'm going to like this detector better than any I've ever had. Okay, there you go with the T2. Watch for videos. I'm going to make some videos, and I'm going to find some nuggets. I'm going to go to a place in a week or two. It's going to be about, well, it's going to be about 3 weeks. And I'm going to go to a place where there's lots of nuggets. And I'm going to find some nuggets with this detector. And I'll be videoing it, so just keep an eye out for them. Thanks for watching.